Welcome to my channel, friends. How are you? Because doors are highly visible, hard-working parts in a home's interior, they deserve thoughtful attention when it comes time to buy new ones. The right doors will stand up durably to daily uses, minimum sound transfer between rooms, and add character or style to the home's overall interior. So today our video topic is wooden door ideas. Interior doors come in many different styles and configurations and are made from a variety of materials. The type of doors you choose for your home can dramatically affect your home interior's privacy, noise control, and overall visual impression. Friends, wooden doors are primarily constructed from wood. These wooden doors are found in homes, buildings, and various structures. Wooden doors can be made from different types of wood, ranging from softwood like pine to hardwoods like oak or cherry. Friends, wooden door possesses a range of characteristics that make them popular choices for both interior and exterior application. One of the most appealing aspects of wooden doors is their natural beauty. The texture, grain pattern, and color variation in wood add warmth and character to any space. Wooden doors come in a variety of styles, designs, and finishes, making them versatile options for various architectural styles and interior decor themes. Friends, wood is easily customizable, allowing for the creation of unique door designs tailored to individual preferences and requirements. So you can make different pictures, images, and styles according to your preferences and requirements. Friends, high quality wooden doors are durable and long lasting, capable of withstanding everyday wear and tear. Properly maintained, they can endure for decades. Wood is a natural insulator, providing excellent thermal and sound insulation properties. Wooden doors help to regulate indoor temperatures and reduce noise transmission. Wood is a renewable resource, making wooden doors an environmentally friendly choice when sourced from responsibly managed forests. Wooden doors are relatively easy to repair compared to other materials. Minor scratches, dents, or blemishes can often be sanded out and refinished to restore the door's appearance. Friends, wooden doors have a timeless appeal that transcends trends. They add a sense of warmth, elegance, and charm to both modern and traditional spaces. Solid wood doors provide a sturdy barrier, enhancing security and privacy for homes and buildings. I hope you will enjoy this video. Friends, if you like my video, please comment, share the video, and do not forget to like. Allah Hafiz. Take care.